What's up guys, back with another video. We are here for a fishing video suggested by the people in my class, and let's catch some bass. So guys, I got my fishing rod right here. We're fixing to be fishing with a crankbait. Here's the lake we're fishing at. Not sure if you guys can see that very well. Yeah, this is my pond. Very good. I like my pond a lot. Yeah, boys, let's see if we can catch some good bass. We got Macy, my dog, about right there. Not sure if you guys can see her. I think y'all can. There's Macy, my beautiful looking dog. And we're going to the fountain over there. There's a fountain. I think you guys can see. Sorry if you can't. I'm just a bad YouTuber. Doesn't know what he's doing. Yeah, boys, we're just gonna fish off the bank under this tree right here. You guys can see. And yeah, boys, let's catch some big looking bass. Water's pretty murky. Hold on, guys. Well, we're fishing off the bank right now. Currently about right there is the fountain. And I'm gonna fish you guys up. About right there. Let's see if you guys can see it. About right there. Right, y'all can see right there. There you go, guys. Y'all can see me casting right now, I think. So yeah, see if we can catch some. By the way, guys, who's ever watching this video might know Geek Boy. Yeah, my friend Ross. Definitely check out the channel. Quality content. And there's my dog, Macy, acting like a buffoon. I really don't think we're going to catch anything, guys. As you can see, guys, that is the crankbait we are using right now. Very good. Love it. Same one Kevin Van Dam uses. By the way, best fisherman in the world. I mean, if I had to choose between Kevin Van Dam or James Wheeler, I'd have to go with James Wheeler. But Van Dam has set the world record. I had one, boy. Holy crap. No wonder I wasn't catching anything. There was some type of line hooking the hooks together. That's why I didn't catch anything right there. Alright, this is dead serious fishing. As I say that, I'm probably not going to catch anything, so yeah. Well, boys, bait's on. that's some good line. Gosh! What's this one? I don't know what that is. Alright, boys. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a knife. Cut that off. Then I'm gonna cut that off. Go tie on either a wacky worm. No, not a wacky worm. Just kidding. Maybe like a jerk bait or a big worm. Crankbait or a big worm. I'm gonna see whatever I got in my tackle box. If you guys want to see a part 2 to this, this is part 1. Try to catch some big bass. If we get 5 likes on this video, 5 likes, guys. That's it. I will get in the boat right there for part 2 with Macy. Right there, Macy. I will get in the boat with her, and we will drive all the way around this, giving you guys a tour and trying to catch some monsters. I think the biggest fish in here might be like 10 pounds. 10-pound bass. Or biggest bass in here might be 10-pound bass. Biggest fish in here is like a 12-pound channel cat. Not sure about that. I gotta go cut it. Throw in my pants.
Put it up.
Alright guys, gonna see a part 2 of this. 5 likes.